Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be going through the installation process of the PanzerGlass screen protector on the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. However, the same process applies for all of the devices within the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. After I have applied the glass, I will give an honest review regarding my thoughts on the overall product. Within the box you will receive the glass screen protector and a cleaning pack, which is made up of a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth and a dust remover. Also within the box there are instructions to help you along the way if needed. Before applying this screen protector, I would always recommend removing your fingerprint and reapplying it once the glass has been fitted. So to start with, take the wet wipe and clean the entirety of the phone's display. This is to remove any dirt or greasy finger marks. Now, using the microfiber cloth, remove any excess liquid that may be left over from the wet wipe. When the screen is completely dry, take the dust removal sticker and repeatedly dab it across the phone's display to get rid of any unwanted dust. To apply the glass to your phone, pull away the tab from the protector and lower the PanzerGlass onto your display. Make sure you align the holes of the glass to the correct areas of the phone. This is the easiest way to ensure the glass protector is fitted seamlessly to your screen. When you are happy with the way in which the glass is situated, press gently down in the middle of your screen. Once this has been done, you can then remove tab 2. With all of these steps completed, you now have PanzerGlass protector safeguarding the display of your handset. You are able to use your device in the same way as before the glass was fitted. The touch response has not been affected by the installation of the glass, so you will not become frustrated when scrolling through your device. Your finger will be able to effortlessly glide along the protector without experiencing any friction. There is an imprint finger reader which is visible on the glass, which may not be to everyone's taste. However, it does aid the effectiveness of the phone being able to read your fingerprint. Although I must say that the imprint must accurately align with the fingerprint reader in order for it to be most effective and to avoid any obstructions. The glass fits exceptionally well onto the screen. As you can see, it reaches to each edge immaculately. This does not obstruct your handset from attaching a cover, allowing you to protect your device in any way that reflects your style. It has the thickness of 0.4mm, which provides the right balance of offering your display protection without being too bulky. The glass has an oleophobic coating, which repels any fingerprints or grease becoming attracted to your precious screen, as you do not want to be watching your favourite video content with a fingerprint-filled screen. This protector is constructed of chemically reinforced glass, abolishing any chance of your phone's display becoming vulnerable to scratching. It is also able to kill up to 99.99% of bacteria. Therefore, it not only protects your phone's display, but it also protects your health, which is very much appreciated now more than ever. Overall, I feel this is definitely a high quality screen protector. The application process is extremely easy, especially for the results you receive post application. It is high tension glass that increases the shock protection of your S21 series handset. If you have any questions regarding the PanzerGlass screen protector, please comment below. To purchase this product, check out the link in the description and comments. For more content like what you have seen today, please hit our like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.